Hey everyone, it's Jonathan at Fix and Zip, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a broken zipper on a golf bag using the Fix and Zip replacement zipper slider. I get emailed about this all the time asking how to put the Fix and Zip on a golf bag and if it'll work, so I thought a video would be helpful. My apologies that it's taken me this long to get to it. You're probably watching this because you went to your golf bag, tried to unzip or zip it up, and either the zipper slider, the thing that connects the teeth on the track, was jammed, it didn't work. Maybe you yanked on it and it came off completely, so there is no more zipper slider. Or the most common, you zip up and all the teeth come undone behind it. The thing that all three of those problems have in common is that there is a problem with the zipper slider. And so we're going to replace the zipper slider with a Fix and Zip, and the great thing is you don't need to take it to a seamstress, you don't need to cut anything, you don't need to use any needle or thread. All you need is a Fix and Zip. I'm going to show you how to install it. So this golf bag uses a nylon coil zipper, but the Fix and Zip will also work on a metal zipper like this and a plastic tooth zipper like this. For golf bags, we recommend the Fix and Zip size medium. And to install the Fix and Zip, you're just going to loosen the thumb screw here on the top so that the sides are nice and loose and can open up. Then you're going to go down to the existing zipper track here, and you're just going to slide it right onto one row of teeth, and then you're going to fit the other row of teeth in there, and then holding it together, tighten that thumb screw down into place. And it doesn't have to be all the way snug, just enough to make sure that both rows are in there. I'm going to tighten it down a little bit more. And most likely you're going to give it a tug and nothing's going to happen and you think this isn't working. But one of the tricks that we're going to show you, take it back to the very beginning of the zipper because you want to get as close to the start as you can. And then put your index finger right underneath and your thumb on top. And you're just going to squeeze, and what you're doing is getting the first few teeth just to engage, snap together, and then after that you should be good to go. Every once in a while after you squeeze and start that first inch, you want to give it another little tighten down just to make sure it's as it should be. But as you can see, the zipper is back up and running. If you're wondering how to remove the old zipper slider, or maybe if the Fix and Zip will work on other items like tents or sleeping bags, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. We've got a whole bunch of other videos. If you'd like to purchase one, you can go to fixandzip.com. And also, if you have any questions, head to fixandzip.com and use the contact portion of the website. You can send us a message or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.